wakas. So guys, buhay pa kami! Buhay pa kami! Where are we going? Ikot muna tayo, maaga pa naman eh. It's 7:06, 7:30 pa magbubukas yung ano. So, unang-una tayo sa pila. The experience, grabe. Parang last na yun, charot. So, kita nyo guys, umaga pa lamang ay bukas na ang mga store, di ba? Sa mga nag-a-ask, oh, don't sagasaan. Uy, guard. Wow. Oh, pang mga BGC, oh. Ay, ang ganda naman. Ano pinag-uusapan natin? I forgot. Grabe guys, ang ganda ng mga damit dito. Sabi ko, uy, pwede yan sa handshake. Pwede. Uy, tinitignan nila ako guys. I'm shy na. Ma-shy girl. I'm a shy girl. Parang... Hi guys, good morning. So, 30 minutes pa lang ang nakalipas from my last update, but it felt like 30 days. So what happened? Wala na kaming 5 baht kasi konti lang pinapalit namin sa NAIA kasi mahal nga yung conversion. And we're waiting for the money exchange place to open. It opens at 8. What time is it? 7:59. Wala pa yung tindero. So, andito kami ng kapatid ko. Kanina pa kami umi-standby dito para kaming what the heck. Ayun, so di pa kami kumakain. Gutom na kami, guys. Kuya, pwedeng Gcash ko na lang. Charot. We went through the market. Morning market. Sobrang daming clothes na magaganda. Parang pambili. So we're just waiting for the money exchange to open. What time is it? May 8 o'clock na, be.
Nakalagay, close sila today.
Sige, bye. See you later. Baka di ko nakalimutan siya. Hi guys. So finally, lunchtime. Oh, diba? This is para siyang patatim. Hindi ko alam tawag sa Thai, pero para siyang patatim. Thank you! Yeah! Slay! Meron siyang vegetables, pork, leg, and egg. And rice. Yeah. This is my cola with ice. Kasi grabe guys, ang sarap. Sarap! Pinili mo? Fanta? Anong Fanta? Sarap niya. Ang sarap guys, para makakadalawa ako. Ito. Garlic. Omo na. Lagyan natin garlic. Ang sarap! Guys, masarap sa feeling, no? Grabe, naiiyak na ako. So, you put this one. What a way to start the trip. Yung garlic nila, hindi matapang. Pero sobrang flavorful. Pero hindi matapang na ano. So yun guys, update, may nabili na po ako. Hindi ko napakita. Pero ano siya, parang cute-cute na damit. Alam niyo ba guys, may nakakahiya na naman ako na nagawa. Oo, wala pa nga guys, may nakakahiya na akong nagawa. Kasi may nagbebenta ng mga damit. Sabi ko, ang cute naman neto, kasya sa akin. Tapos sabi ng kapatid ko, ate, pang bata yan. Sabi ko, no. So yun na nga, hindi ko na natuloy yung kwento ko. So, yung nagbebenta ng, mukha siyang cute, parang may ribbon siya dito. Tapos, akala ko parang siyang, top na, sige lang, parang top na paganon. Parang paganon. Tapos sleeveless. Tapos, nagustuhan ko. Sabi ni kapatid ko, ate, pang bata yan. Sabi ko, hindi. Tapos sabi niya, ang bagal ko magkwento. Tapos sabi ko, miss, is this a top? Tapos sabi niya sa akin, ha? Sabi niya, ganun din. Tapos tinawanan ako ng kapatid ko. Wow! Ang laki! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello. Oh my God, it's so nice. So guys, ito lahat ng nabili ko. Yan. And yan. Yeah, hello guys. So guys, this is our room. Wow. It's so big. I'm sitting on the couch because I don't want my outside clothes on the bed. Grabe guys, so we are now at our hotel room. It's already 11. Oh my God, look at my face. Grabe. Yung skin tint ko wala na. So, we did some intense. We did a lot of shopping. So I didn't get to vlog the whole thing kasi it was so cramped in there and it was just so hard to vlog. Syempre I have to be aware rin naman of my belongings and I have to be, focused sa mga prices and everything kasi syempre, 'di ba? Dapat di tayo lugi. So I got so much stuff. Yung mga stuff na I really like but it was too expensive. So yeah, I got a lot of new pants kasi minsan may promo sila na 3 for like this. I feel like I use the same 2 pairs of jeans or 3 pairs of jeans again and again. So I bought new jeans cause guard, okay. My feet hurt so much even if naka-crocs ako today. And I feel so icky. I feel so sweaty and yucky. So, I'm gonna take a shower after this and freshen up because, hindi na ako fresh. Mag-relax muna ako, guys. So, yun lang. Bye! Hi, guys! Wow! So, I'm fresh out of the shower. Gosh, grabe. My feet are killing me. Grabe, I feel so relieved. I am wearing the polo I bought kanina because I didn't buy any t-shirts and my mistake is I didn't include any t-shirts sa hand carry ko, which is wrong because I always do that. I don't know why right now hindi ko siya nagawa. Also, I bought these shorts. Yan. Favorite ko kasi tong shorts na to. I have the pants version of it. And now I bought the short. It's so comfy. So my mom is on the way here now. And then we're gonna eat lunch daw. Lunch pa lang? Bakit yung pagod ko pang dinner na? It was a really productive morning for us, right? Hi guys. So, nag-outfit change lang. Pinod ko lang ulit yung pants ko kanina. So, sakay kami sa driver na. Hi. Hello. Van tour. Oh. Pakto.
Slice. Pahinga ko na lang kay Ate Marlene yung aking vaccine. Yung bag ko kasi mas i-slash hindi niya ma-i-slash. Parang fiber.
We are at Tea Restaurant, aka our favorite restaurant here. So, every time na andito kami sa Bangkok, we always make it a point na kakain kami dito at least once. Super sarap talaga dito, guys. This is my favorite.
mahilig sa gulay, masasarap lahat ng gulay. Big na lang.
Oh my.
Ha? No beef? No beef, have medium first.
Hey, nakakatakot.
One only.
Oh my God.
Oh, okay, number one. Yeah.
Very good, ah.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Fat
But
and healthy.
very, very fast. Yeah.
Bumili na kami ng crab na nalulutuin. Second cook of the day. Yan.
Sa Pilipinas yun. Pero,
Ang tamis.
sa spicy ano?
Kuha na ng food.
Ay, tumusok pa si boss.
Sa mga bangketa ng kami ng kasi Melissa, di ba namimili doon? Kaya saan na kumakain doon? Grabe na. Pumutok na yung balitang galing doon.
Sumumusda.
COVID.
Ikaw.
December, kami doon, mga 20. Ay, na,
Sandali na. Ay, sorry.
Ay, naman. Take daw ba ito dito?
Hindi. Kaya in-order ko.
Good morning, guys. I just woke up from my nap. And this is my fourth outfit change of the day. I just woke up from my nap and I'm going now to Indra Square to meet my mom and my tita. Okay. Oh, no? Okay. I'm off to meet my mommy and my tita. Yan, so, masabit na ulit ako. And I'm getting the hang of this app. Magsa 7 na pero ang liwanag pa din. Ang area na to, maraming mga bilihan ng stuff. Merong grocery na malaki, tapos may mga malalaking mall din, and maraming mga night market. Crossing the road. Yung Big C, yun yung grocery na malaki. Doon kami nag-grocery ng pasalubong. Sino ang pangalan kasi nun? Sunday Bake. Ay, yung artist. Now at Central World. Oh, look, it's pink. So guys, I'm just waiting for them. Kasi nag-restroom sila. And I'm just here waiting. So yun, quick update lang. It's already 7:12 and we're here at Central World, as I've said. I don't know if we're gonna look pa, but I feel like we're gonna stroll pa here and then have dinner in a bit. I feel like there's a really nice food court here. Yeah. Ay, may night market, street food market sa labas. But it's kind of pricey though. Like, nakita ko Coke, 60 baht. Where is my mother? The last meal I had was lunch. And parang napagod ako sa pag-sleep ko. Uy. Yeah, and ang daming tao ngayon kasi it's Saturday. So, while waiting for them, guys. Oh my God, may Casetify dito! Be, ang mahal. Kasi na yun. Guys, should I buy Casetify? May H&M. Pero gutom na tong mga kasama ko, guys.
Dining.
Wow, may ano
Dining. Dining.
Wow, laki ng Samsung store
Spelling.
dito.
So guys, andito kami ngayon sa SM North etc. Meron pala ditong Haidilaw. Guys, samahan niyo ako maghanap ng food. Gusto ko lang ng green curry. Ang mura, 30 pesos. Guys, I'm hungry. Ang laki pala ng food court nila, guys. Parang hindi na to food court, guys. Parang food convention. Hala, ito yung favorite kong milk tea. Ay, may kumi din dito. So guys, cashless na sila dito. Parang maglo-load ka, tapos ito, pambayad mo sa... wala talagang green curry, guys. Inikot ko na yung buong food. Wala pa dyan. Paiyak na yung tao. Green curry, yeah. Finit. Finit na? No more? Okay. Yung pinuntahan ko, wala pa din silang green curry. Guys, update. Nakabili na ako ng food, but walang green curry talaga. So, this is what I ordered. This is, I think, curry, red curry. And then parang kalabasa. And then pork. And then rice. Ito free lang to. Free lang. Binigay lang sa akin free. And then this was only 65 baht. This one, 30 baht. Ang sarap! Yummy! Hindi po, Thai po. Thai curry. Ang sarap! Ang tinang kanin, bitin yung kanin na. Yummy, so yummy. Guys, look oh, ang sarap. May guys, pork with basil. And this one is kalabasa. Bus na yung rice. Isa pa pong rice. Tara. Yung food ko. Hindi ko pala naubos. Pero mostly naubos ko. Mati naman to. So anyway. So may natira pa akong yelo. Sarap talaga ng yelo dito. Tapos bumili ako ng Mirinda. Wala na. Woo! Ang saya. Ang sarap. My 4th cup of soft drinks today. Bilang nanay ko. Masisa. So guys, this is grilled bananas with I don't know. Parang medyo mahal to eh, Ay, parang liquid nyog. Banana Q. Kasi eto, alam mo yung pagpasko, yung purple, yung sa taas nun, yung white. Yung, basta yun. Di ba pagpasko sa Masiban, binibenta yung purple. Sa taas nun may white na sprinkles. Ito yun yung lasa nito. Okay lang. Tastes healthy. Not for me. Hi guys. So we are done eating and we are going to go home now. Yay! Finally rest time. Hey guys. So we are going down the escalator. Yeah. Wow. Bloody Bunny and friends. So, next time na lang kami balik dito. Malapit lang naman. Pero kasi ngayon, we have to go home now. Because it's already 9 p.m. And itong Studio Ghibli animation. Puntahan ko yan. Mahilig sa pusa. Guys, look! I'm so happy. Oh my God! Wow! Ang cute! Ako, oo nga. Stationary, guys. I have to go home now.
Welcome to the dance club, shout to 16% off.
Mangga ba to? Oh my God! Gano'n kalaki yung mangga. Grabe. Guys, tingnan nyo kung gano'n kalaki. Wait, I gotta take a picture of this, guys. Yanissim. Uy, parang masarap to. Gusto ko ng durian. Oh. Sa hotel?
Oo, may 5,000
Ay, hindi wag.
penalty.
Yung mami ko, diba sabi ko sa inyo, lagi kami nandito before, lalo siya. So, every time na uuwi siya, oh, wow, mango sticky rice, sarado na. Every time na uuwi siya, meron kaming fruits, atis and lanzones, galing Bangkok. So, masarap. Bili kami ng durian.
Oh my God. Is it that creamy?
Yummy durian. Magkano? Ay, 500 baht? 500 baht yung isang yun? Ah, mahal ma.
Oo, masarap kasi ang durian dito.
584 baht?
Yung ganon, you want good food.
Let's try it.
Dito kaya,
585 pesos. Ay, pesos ba yan? Grabe, parang candy.
Okay, sobra yan.
Hi guys, so we're now home at our hotel, and I took a really hot shower, and removed my, washed my face, brushed my teeth, cleaned my shoes, and I fixed all of our stuff kasi ang clutter I don't like. So alam mo yon, I wanna rest well tonight because tomorrow we're gonna wake up early. So I'm gonna set my alarm for 7:30 in the morning. It's just 10 p.m. here, which is crazy because like 11 na sa Philippines, and yeah, I didn't really get enough sleep kaya I feel so tired right now. Actually, I'm not sleepy. I'm just tired. I feel like that's different things. Good night, guys, and see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.